It'd be really nice if this person could get this alarm so it wasn't so sensitive. What spot are they in?
I don't even see lights turning on. That's
This
so unusual.
particular car has been going off through the storms. Every time the trash truck goes by, it'll tend to go off. I don't know what the deal is with this thing. There's just no peace and quiet in this freaking place. It's right in front of us. Ow.
Sorry, Mom.
Oh, I'm so tired of this. I'm sure if it's not one thing, it's something else.
It's getting later. It's getting later.
It just keeps cycling like this. Oh my God. It's always something now.
Lots of people walking out.
And it's because people are they get sick of it. Everybody comes out because they don't know. And maybe it's a car they recognize or somebody they can go knock on their door. No, man. It'll get tired and then it'll cycle like it did the last 2 times. It's the 3rd round of this, guys. February 18, 2017. The Cell from Hell.